In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, have some things you would like to have in the drop-down list, and then name it whatever you would like to name that drop-down list. So in my case, as you can see, it's named color, and then we have the options red, yellow, blue, green, and then purple. And what you want to do is position yourself at the top row where there's the name of the list, and click on it, and then you want to go to the data tab over here up top, and then look for this symbol over here. When you hover over it, it says data validation, and then you want to click on this, and then make sure that the first thing you do is where it says allow, you select list. Okay, you want to put in list, and then over here where it says source, you want to click on it, and then of course mark the area where there's sources. In my case, it's over here where it says red, yellow, blue, green, and purple. And then once that's done, you want to press OK. And there we go. If I now click this down arrow, as you can see, a drop-down list was successfully created.